it going? This is Andrew at BISH'S RV in beautiful Kalispell, Montana. Today we're going to be looking at another one of our used campers up here. It is a toy hauler and the Salem Cruise Lite. This is an awesome size. I believe, most newer half-ton trucks would easily be able to tow this rig and have plenty of room in the back for dirt bikes and four-wheelers, that sort of a thing. And let's go on ahead and take a look. Basically, I'm flying solo today. I don't have Carrie with me, so we're going to look through here. Basically into the living area. What I like about this model is it's just keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Basically, you've got the Happy Jack bed system up here that goes up and down. Provides you additional sleeping for extra folks. And it also has a nice little sofa on this side, couple of chairs, some tables, and of course the ramp door in the back to get your stuff in here. But something like this would actually work out pretty well. Like I said, if you had a couple of quads or some dirt bikes, you've got all sorts of tie downs in the floor and everything. Just a nice sort of simple and easy. We like that kind of stuff. And we'll take a look through the kitchen here. Of course, gas electric fridge, a little bit of countertop space. And into the bathroom. Another thing I like is that it does have the corner shower, which I think gives you a little bit extra room to move around. You can also sit on the toilet without your knees bumping in anything. And that's another nice little feature. Of course, got your medicine cabinet and sink and all the standard stuff. This little thing is kind of nice. Again, previous owners would have put this in. Just nice little storage compartment there. And then into the bedroom area. We did take the mattress out because we know you're going to replace it anyway. I'm just kidding. The previous owners took the mattress. So under here you have storage accessed from the outside. I like that piece. And it is on struts here. So it makes it easy to access the hidden storage. But again, this is a nice little toy hauler here from the folks over at Forest River, and overall in pretty darn good shape. And it does have heated tanks. I like that. Cool. Kind of get another view from the outside. Again, this is the Salem Cruise Lite here at BISH'S RV in beautiful Kalispell, Montana. And my name's Andrew, so thanks for watching.